Hello and welcome back children to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. I am Vandana and today I am going to take your book. Here is your book, that is Let's Click, a Trendy Way to Learn Computer, and we are going to do part 4, and today's chapter is chapter 6, that is using a browser. So today we are going to learn what is a browser and how can we use it. So let's begin. In the previous class we have already learned what is internet and how can we use it. So now in this chapter we are going to learn about what is internet. Again we are going to revise that. Search for something on internet, downloading and uploading on internet, Microsoft Edge, and how search engine works. So these all things we are going to learn today in this chapter. Okay, let's begin. First is, what is internet? Internet is a global network that connects millions of computers and other devices. Okay. In other words, internet is the network of computer and devices all over the world to share data, information and with each other. So by internet we can share our data and information throughout the world. It is not just a network of computer but also a network of networks. It is not only the network of computer but it is network of networks. Let's recall some internet terms that we have already learned in our previous book, in our previous class. Okay. First is website. What is website? Yes, you are correct. It is the collection of related web pages that provide information about a topic. So on whatever topic we are searching, the website is the collection of all the information that we want from that web page or website. So a website is a collection of related web pages. It is a combination of web pages that provides us the information about a particular topic. Okay. Second is web page. What is a web page? A web page is a page on a website. So suppose a website is a book and web page is a page on that website. Okay. Next is World Wide Web. WWW is the largest collection of information in the form of websites. So through this we can collect a large amount of information. Fourth is web browser. It is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. So through web browser what we can do, it is a software application and through which we can access information on the www. Okay. Fifth is home page. What is home page? It is the first page that opens up when you browse any website. So whenever we browse anything, the first page that appears in front of us, that page is called the home page. Sixth one is Uniform Resource Locator, which in short form is URL. So what is URL? It is the unique address of a website on the internet. So whatever website we have typed, it is the address of that website. Okay, these were the basic terms of internet. Now we are going to learn about Microsoft Edge. What is Microsoft Edge? Yes, nowadays we can see on our computer Microsoft Edge. So I am going to show you the Microsoft Edge. This is our Microsoft Edge icon. Okay, you may have seen this on your computer. Microsoft Edge is a default web browser in the Windows 10 operating system. So it is the default web browser through which we can search the information on internet. Okay. To open Microsoft Edge, follow the steps. Steps are given. First we have to go to the start button. From there I have to simply scroll down to letter M So I have come here to letter M, and in that all the M applications are there. From there we have to select Microsoft Edge. Okay, we have selected, clicked on this, and the screen will open. The Microsoft screen will open. Microsoft Edge, our web browser will open. Second method is we can also open Microsoft Edge by clicking on the Microsoft Edge icon on the taskbar. So this was our taskbar, and we can click on this Microsoft Edge icon to open it from here also. So there are two ways of opening it. The Internet Explorer application is not supported as of right now. So previously what we used to do, we used Internet Explorer. We were using Internet Explorer, but now it is not supported. And if user who try to open it will be redirected through Microsoft Edge. So those who are trying to open this Internet Explorer, the page will redirect them to the Microsoft Edge page, and they can search whatever they want to search from here. Okay, parts of Microsoft Edge window. There are different parts given in the window. After clicking on the Microsoft Edge button, what happened? This screen came in front of us. So this is the screen. First is back and forward button. Here we can see a back and forward button is given. Okay, here this is the back button, and here is the forward button. Okay, and after the forward button there is a refresh button like this. A arrow is made. Okay, a refresh button is here. So this is the refresh button which refreshes the page. If the page is hanging or the content is there for a long time, we can simply press the refresh button, by which the page will reload. Okay, next is new tab. In this new tab we are working. This is the Microsoft Edge tab. So here we can see one new tab, and here is a plus sign through which, on clicking on which, another tab can open. Okay, after the new tab, below the new tab we can see here is the address bar. This is our address bar on which we can type the website that we want to choose or we want to search. Next is this is our Microsoft Edge window. So in the address bar, the details of Microsoft Edge will be written. Okay, next is our favorite button. It is like a star. Okay, so whatever page is our favorite, we can simply click on this favorite button, and that page will be saved on our Microsoft Edge screen. Okay, next is more button. Here we can see 3 dots are there. We can click there and get more options from there. Okay, here are the things that are given related to this back and forward button. Back button helps to navigate back and to a previous page, and forward button, by forward button we can navigate to the next page again, only if the back button has already been pressed. So if there are many pages and we are on the page 2, so then only we can go to the forward button, otherwise we won't be able to go. Only if there are 2 pages and we are on page 2, we cannot use the forward button. If there is page 3, then we can go to click on the forward button and go to the next page. New tab button is used to open the new tab. Refresh is to reload your page. Address bar is used to type web addresses, and favorite is used, has a star icon that allows you to set a favorite page. Okay, to refresh the browser window we can also use F5. So here is the refresh button. Okay, this is our refresh button, and we can also refresh the page from here. Also there is a shortcut key that we can press F5 button to refresh our page. Okay, So favorite is the star icon that allows us to set a web page as a favorite or to add it to our reading list. You can also find the saved reading list in the hub. We can save the thing and it will be displayed and we can use it more often like we used in the quick access toolbar. Okay, more option is where you will find all the extra features such as private mode, zoom, print and all the additional settings are here. We can find it from here. Okay, here after learning so much about internet, let's come to workout session through which I am going to check that you have understood the chapter somewhat or not. Okay. Just tell me, this reloads your page. What button do we press that reloads our page? Wow, yes, the correct answer is refresh. The correct answer is refresh button. Good. Okay. This is used to open a new tab. We can open a new tab. There is an answer in the question. Yes, this button we have to press. We have to press new tab option. Okay. Third is, this is the default web browser. What is the default web browser in the Windows 10? Yes, the answer is Microsoft. Yes. Edge. Microsoft Edge. Okay. Next is, this is a star icon that allows you to set a web page as your favorite. Yes, the correct answer is in the question only. Favorite. Favorite. So we have to click on this button. These buttons are used for doing all these tasks. Okay, you all were very good in answering. Okay, let's come to the next slide. Okay. Now we are going to learn about searching for something on internet. Now we know how to open the internet. Now we are going to learn how can we search on the internet. Search engine is a web tool which allows user to search or look for different information on the internet. So how can we find some information from the internet? Through the search engine. Okay. Some of the popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Bing. So these are the icons of the search engines. Google looks like this, Yahoo and Microsoft Bing. These are the search engines through which we can search whatever information we want to search from the internet. Every search engine allows the user to enter a keyword related to the information or click on the voice button and speak what one wants to search for, and it displays a list of related websites. So every search engine does, it allows the user, we can write a simple word or a keyword related to the information. Suppose I want to find something about dogs, I want to know their breeds, or I want to know what to make them eat. So I have to simply write down the keyword dog like here, and or on the voice button and speak. We can also speak whatever we want to search, and it will be displayed, and there will be related websites also displayed on our screen. So here we can see, okay, how to search the keywords. First we have to go to our Microsoft Edge, and from there we have to type here www.google.com. Okay, we have opened our web browser. Now we have typed google.com in the address bar. In the search box, after clicking on the address bar, here the search box comes. We have to click on the search box and type the keyword. Here we have typed Draupadi Murmu, our President of India. Okay. So click Google search button and press enter key. After typing this, we have to click on enter key. After doing this, what will happen? it will search the related content to it. Okay. Another way is we can search by voice. To search by voice command, these steps can be followed. Here we can see we have typed here google.com in the address bar, and this screen comes in front of us. In this, here we can see a mic is made. We have to just click on this mic button, and on clicking on this, what will happen? We can speak the phrase we want to search. After we click, the mic gets activated. It makes a red circle is there. This means the mic is activated. We can say whatever we want it to search. Okay, we have followed the steps, and that word is typed here. Draupadi Murmu's information is here. We can see the picture, and related informations are also given, related sites are also given related to the topic that we have searched. Okay, how search engine works, how it works, let's learn about it. Search engine follow an algorithm to display the search result to us. So it works with an algorithm. How? Let us find out. After we enter the web addresses in address bar on the browser, the web browser sends a request to the web search server. So after we have written on the web address or the URL in the address bar, the web browser sends the request to the web server. There is a server to which it sends signal. The web server then locates the file and downloads it to your computer. So the signal, it receives the signal, and then it sends us and downloads it on a computer. Finally, the web browser displays the page on your screen. So after this connection is made, the web browser, it displays the page on a screen. The URL or the web addresses of the websites start with HTTP : and / 2 / are there. So whenever we type something, whenever we type some address, so what will happen? This will appear in front of us. The addresses of the some websites such as bank, e-commerce, or any website that is related to money will have HTTP, and there is a S included in this. S means secure. S means secure. So which means the website is secured for browsing. We can do our banking transactions if it is HTTPS : /. So we have to be very careful while we are using something or using a web browser. Okay, next is downloading and uploading on internet. How can we download and upload on internet? How can we do this? Okay, downloading is the process of transferring data from the server. So when we download something, what happens? We click on the download button, and the process of transferring data from the server, the data comes from the server to the client, means the computer that we are using. Okay, so you can download games, music, video, movie, etc. by using this downloading option. Okay, now let's come to the uploading. Uploading is the process of moving data from my computer to the server through the internet. So this is the basic difference between these two. This procedure is typically utilized when sending files, articles or photos to friends. So when we are sending files, article or photo to our friends, what we do? We just upload it. Okay. The data may be uploaded via Google Drive. So by using Google Drive, we can upload our data. Okay, next is recall time. Internet is a global network that connects millions of computers and other devices. Microsoft Edge is a default web browser in the Windows 10 operating system. The URL of the web address or website start with HTTP and address with some banks it starts with HTTPS. Okay. Search engine is a web tool which allows user to search or look up for desired information on the internet. Downloading is a process of transferring data from the server to the client computer, and uploading is the process of moving the data from our computer to the server through the internet. So this was all in our recall time. Now let's begin with the book exercises. Okay, all of you be ready? Let's come to the first question. Which of the following option in Microsoft Edge is used to type web addresses or carry out web searches? Which option is used in the Microsoft Edge to type web addresses or carry out web search? Yes, address bar. In the address bar we can type the web addresses. Okay, what is Microsoft Edge? Yes, what is the correct answer? Yes, it is a web browser in which we can search, we can have the search engines in web browser. Okay, third is, which of the following option is called a unique address of every page? Every page has a unique address. What is that called? It is called URL, that means Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, which of the following is a web tool which allows user to search or look up for desired information on the internet, through which we can search for information in the internet? Yes, the correct answer is search engine. By the search engines we can look for the information on the internet, and these search engines are to be put on the web browser. Okay, this was take the correct answer. Next, let's come to fill in the blanks. First question is, dash is a network of computer and devices. What is a network of computer and devices? Okay, internet. Internet is a network of computers and devices. Okay, next question is, dash is the default web browser in the Windows 10 operating system. What is a default web browser? The default web browser is Microsoft Edge. The default web browser is Microsoft Edge. Okay. The first page of a website is called, what is the first page called? It is called the home page. It is called the home page. Okay. Next is, dash button is used to reload the page from the internet. What button to be pressed to reload the page? Yes, the answer is refresh button. We have to press the refresh button to reload the page. Okay, from the internet. Now let's come to the true and false. The internet is the network of networks. Yes, it's correct. Microsoft Edge is not a web browser. No, this is wrong. It is a web browser. The unique address of each web page or website is called HTTP. No, it is called URL. To connect to the internet, you do not need a computer or a device. Is it true? If we want to connect to the internet, we do not need a computer or a device. No, this is false, because without these we cannot connect to the internet. Okay, now let's come to the question and answer round. Okay, first question is, what is search engine? Yes, what is search engine? Search engine is a page in a thing there are many search engines given us in which we can add the simple keyword, and through which after putting that keyword, search engine helps us to give the information from the internet, and we can apply a simple keyword in the search engine, by after which it will search and bring the necessary options related to that keyword, and we can simply get the information from there. So, there are different search engines like Google, Chrome, and there are many more search engines like Yahoo. Okay, so these are the search engines. Okay, next question is, write any one difference between downloading and uploading. Okay, one difference is that downloading means we are the server is giving us information and we are taking that information from the server. It is the server is sending something to us and it is being downloaded to our computer. That is downloading. Okay. Next is uploading. Uploading means we are putting something in our computer and that goes to the server through the internet, and this is called uploading. Okay, third question is, what is Microsoft Edge? Name any three parts of Microsoft Edge. Okay, Microsoft Edge is it is a default web browser of Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 operating system, and there are the three parts of Microsoft Edge are refresh button, address bar, and you can say favorite option is also there. Many more options are there, but these three are the three parts of Microsoft Edge. Okay. So this was all for today, students. Hope you like the class, and I hope that you have understood all the internet terms. You have understood what is downloading, uploading, and what is web page, what is web browser, what is search engine. All these things you have kept in your mind. I want you to revise all of these terms on a daily basis and practice using these terms. Okay, this was all for today, and I will be waiting for you in the next class for the next chapter. Till then, you are requested to stay related for our next video. Thank you and have a nice day.